Hello, welcome to another video. So in this video I will read some articles about psychiatry and psychology. Currently I'm doing PhD in applied psychology, and I'm highly interested in studying and reading those articles, and reading those articles really inspiring to design your own article. So let's check some of them by using this website. So let's choose this one, or let's choose something else, not a genetic. I hope we can see the full article, so not only the abstract. So after clicking that, this link directs us to the main article. The topic is features of the immune profile of schizophrenic patients with catatonic syndrome. So you probably know what catatonic syndrome, that in that syndrome patients in a catatonic state and cannot move. And to get more information you can search it, catatonic schizophrenia. Let's read the abstract part. An analysis of inflammatory and autoimmune markers in schizophrenic patients with and without catatonic symptoms in comparison to healthy control. So in this study, subjects are patients, schizophrenic patients, and healthy controls, and variables are biological markers about their inflammation status. And read material and methods. 170 patients with paranoid schizophrenia was stratified by the presence of catatonic symptoms in the structure of psychosis. 66 with catatonia, 104 without catatonia. Probably they have different type of disease, schizophrenia disease. Inclusion threshold was more than 10 points on the Bush-Francis catatonic scale. It's interesting to know that there's a scale, catatonia scale, to measure the severity of catatonic state in those sample. The examination was carried out in the early day of patient's treatment using psychopathological, psychometric, and immunological methods. And naturally, results. Let's read the results. Quantitative and qualitative differences in the spectrum of immune indicators in both groups of patients are revealed. A higher level of immune system activation is found in the group with catatonic symptoms that indicates a worsening of the pathological process. So catatonic patients have different immunologic profile than compared to others. Let's read more. A specific feature of the immunological profile of catatonic syndrome in schizophrenia is a decrease in ratio between leukocyte elastase and A1 proteinase inhibitor, accompanied by the increase of other inflammatory markers that presumably indicates the deterioration of the phagocyte component of the inflammatory response. So as a conclusion, decrease in leukocyte inhibitory index is a potential biomarker of catatonic syndrome in schizophrenia. I think we also need to see the effect size and how they are really different. So I'm not sure that, so it means compared to all the other groups, I guess. I mean, because there are 3 groups in this study: healthy controls and other patients without catatonic symptoms. So and study is quite interesting, and so seems to be it can be used to categorize not categorize, to detect it. But actually I'm not sure how it can be useful to in the clinical settings, because if patient is a catatonic, then you can observe it, but maybe but still study is quite important and interesting, and seems to be original and published in 2020, and you can reach this article by this link. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the article and me talking about it, and see you.